My name is Ejapopa Mary Chinezi from Federal College of Education Technical Umunze. I heard about this course in the platform on WhatsApp, and before now, I've been yearning deeply for how to upgrade myself digitally. I've been planning that. So when this opportunity arose, I decided to join so as to upgrade myself, upskill myself. And I didn't regret for a moment while joining, because ever since I joined and attending this automation masterclass, a lot has happened in my life. I've been able to perform a lot of tasks on my own, though my library still practice the conventional way of library services. So we are planning to involve ILMS. The masterclass I attended, I thank God for it because he did a lot. I was able to work on Active Shell the little way I can. I register myself as a patron. I catalog, then I check out using the barcode. Then I opened the Koha environment and look through what is in there. I learned a lot because before now I wasn't able to do those things, and I was very worried with myself. Yeah. I need how to work with tools, digital tools. Yes, digital library tools. I need to know how to work with them. So this upskill connect village and this masterclass did a lot in my life. And the knowledge I learned from this particular concluded automation class, I plan to use it in my place of work, using a QR code to attend to clientele. Yeah, to attend to clientele using the QR codes. This particular knowledge I gained has helped me a lot, because within me, I know I wasn't the way I was before I joined. I wish you join too, so that you will be confident in yourself.